What's happening, people, and welcome to the South African Canon. Let's quickly go through our current concern. Obviously, everyone should be happy. Arsenal is sitting on top of the league. So, what is our crisis at the moment? We've got another three injuries, and these players are simply crucial to Arsenal going and trying to win this Premier League. We know about Jesus, we know about Havertz, we know about Madueke, we know about Odegaard. The new three players who's injured seems to be Saliba, Rice, and Calafiore. We know that Martinelli also went down with a knock on Sunday. So I am quite concerned, but the question remains, will Mikel Arteta pick the correct team to face Brighton? Do we have enough players, depth to basically fill these places? I'll talk about it later on the channel.